Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a Kubota KX71-3. This is the Super Series. I'm changing the hydraulic fluid in this, and I wanted to talk about something that I can't really find a video on. So a lot of people, they change the oil, which if you're curious about that, you just got to get right under in here. There's a drain plug. Try to show it right there. 19mm or 3/4 socket. I got it draining right now. And then sometimes there's a wrench that comes along that's under the seat, and I didn't have mine. So I had to use my big channel locks to get that off of there. But I just got it sitting here, cleaned it off. Then I changed the normal filter in here. But now if I can show this, it's a little hard. But the suction filter, the Kubota mechanic said a lot of people don't change that because it's hard to get to. But you just got to get your arm down in there. And it is a 15/16 socket. I'm not sure what it is in millimeter. But you can reach right down there in your arm once it's drained out, and you can just unscrew that and screw a new one back on. It's lots of room to fit your ratchet in there and stuff. So I highly recommend changing that at the interval they say. This one has 700 hours on it, but since it's low in fluid, I'm just going to do everything so I know it's good for another 1,000 hours. Everything is done at the 1,000-hour mark on the hydraulic fluid from what I can tell. So anyway, if you're curious about that, change that suction filter while you're at it. It's another $100 for the filter, but it's worth it, I think, to know maintenance has been done and upkeep on it. So that's where the return filter sits right there. But yeah, so anyway, I just want to talk about that suction filter because a lot of people don't talk about where that's located or actually changing it. In case you're wondering, that is the part number for the suction filter right there. I just bought this from Kubota. I think it's like 105 bucks or so. If I do find it like on eBay or something, I'll link it down in the video description for you guys. Sometimes you can save a little money. Just make sure you get OEM parts if possible. I would recommend anyway. And also this filter here, I don't have the box anymore. I'll try to put that part number down there for you. So I'll try to link that for you guys if you're interested. So this is 12mm for this one and 19mm or 3/4 for this one. So if you hold this one, mine on my original one was a little bit loose, but if you hold this one right here and then loosen this lock nut here and then count your turns that you take off. Mine was 8 turns to get it off, 8 turns to put it back, and then I just locked that nut. So because that can change the height of it a little bit. I'm not sure if that matters, but that's just a word of caution, and that's what he cautioned as well. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. The main point of this video was about the suction filter, but if you're interested in kind of seeing the process of that, I apologize I can't show it start to finish, but just to show it in the middle here. So I think maintenance is really key on keeping these things going. These are a really smooth machine, and even though the hydraulic oil is expensive, the Kubota UDT2 is what this uses. I got at least 10 gallons out of it. It holds like 13 something. I got most of it out, but I think it's worth it to run real OEM oil and real OEM filters. That's just my thoughts, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys.